Welcome to your daily dose of Carolina bass. The stress of surviving the younger Dryas is recorded as a bottleneck in the human Y chromosome at the end of the Pleistocene. The Y chromosome is responsible for the development of male reproductive organs, and it is passed only from father to son. The paper by Carmen with 100 authors proposes that the bottleneck was caused by a global change in culture. However, the Y chromosome diversity started to decrease in all regions of the world exactly at the younger Dryas boundary about 12,900 years ago, and it is not likely that similar cultural changes would have occurred simultaneously in all regions widely separated by oceans, deserts, mountains, and jungles. The mitochondrial DNA, which is passed from a mother to her offspring, indicates that the worldwide human population continued to increase in spite of the reduction of male population size. A graph in the paper by Carmen shows that 10,000 years ago there were 8 females for every male. 7,000 years ago, during the most severe portion of the Y chromosome bottleneck, there were 17 females for every male according to the human genetic record. A paper by Zheng et al. Tries to explain the Y chromosome bottleneck as the result of competition between patrilineal kin groups. To explain the Y chromosome bottleneck, Zheng et al. Considered and rejected ecological and climatic factors, Neolithic foundry effects from small populations, and an increase in intragroup social and material inequalities. Zheng et al. Proposed that the formation of patrilineal kin groups and intergroup competition among these groups, which disproportionately affected males, could have led to a reduction in Y chromosomal diversity that was much greater than the reduction in male population size, while keeping the female population size relatively stable. The foundry effect refers to the reduced genetic diversity that results when a population is descended from a small number of colonizing ancestors. When a new colony is started by a few members of a large original population, the colony generally has reduced genetic variation compared to the original population. Zheng et al. Rejected the idea that the Y chromosome bottleneck was caused by ecological or climatic factors because they thought that such effects are small and cannot account for the 1 to 17 disparity between male and female population sizes inferred from the data. However, a paper by Catalano, Bruckner, and Smith found that cold ambient temperatures during gestation predict lower secondary sex ratios. They conclude that ambient temperature affects the characteristics of human populations by influencing who survives gestation. Stay tuned for more information.